Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Paladoscope, and today we are going to discuss about Davasu Mathura. So Davasu recently released its notification for admissions of 2021. And in this video, what you will be seeing is a complete detail of Davasu, especially focusing on the veterinary college. We will be giving you a virtual tour about the campus life, placements, seat matrix and everything that you need to know basically. So watch it till the end and do give it a like if you like this video. So let's start. Starting off with a brief intro, Davasu Mathura, established by Government of Uttar Pradesh on October 25, 2001. The College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry Mathura became its first constituent college. The parent institution of Davasu is CSAUAT, had the distinction of being the first veterinary college set up in independent India in 1947. Great, right? It was the first veterinary college in Asia to start with a degree program in veterinary science and to start MVSC or MSc degree programs in various disciplines of veterinary and animal sciences in 1951. Think about it. And the PhD degree programs in 1953. Location of this university is located in Mathura Cant and is about 5 km from Mathura Railway Junction and 3.5 km from Roadways bus stand. This is the university website where you will get all the updates and also you will get to download the prospectus. So let's discuss about the campus now. The university is spread over an area of 782.34 acres. Imagine. The university on its own campus has livestock farm complex LFC with more than 650 indigenous cows and the poultry farm, Go Anusandhan Sansthan, horse stable with riding field, goat unit and agriculture farm. The main campus appears impressive with the buildings of different colleges, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, University Library, Kisan Bhavan, Referral Super Speciality Veterinary Hospital called Kothari Hospital and Health Center. The campus also hosts 3 guest houses, 8 hostels, gymnasium, helipad, residential colonies and a herbal garden. Apart from this, some basic necessities like street lighting, water supply, primary school, bank ATMs and post office is also there in the campus. So these are some of the pictures of the campus. The right one shows you the Kisan Bhavan. This is the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sabhagar. So when you talk about admissions, we should also talk about alumni and placement, right? So let's talk about alumni and placement. The university in its prospectus boasts and says placement of the university alumni is a gold standard benchmark of the successful performance of any university. Almost 100% placement of its students in state animal husbandry departments, banks, private sectors, research and development, academic and research institutes, administrative services, renowned veterinary services and paramilitary forces like BSF, ITBP, etc. For renowned veterinary corps, if you want to refer to the video, you can go to my channel. I recently uploaded a video regarding renowned veterinary corps. Regarding the important scheduled dates that recently came up for 2021 admissions, online registration and submission of application form for VVSC and AH program has started already from 15/6/2021 and it's closing at 31/7/2021. So you have quite a lot of time, but you should enroll yourself, get registered and submit the application form as soon as possible. Pre-veterinary test PVT 2021. So this is really important because you get admission in the BVSC course only through the PVT or through BCI counseling for the 15% seats. So preliminary examination, main examination and counseling, these three examination dates are to be announced later. Application processing fee for each academic program is rupees 1800, that is non-refundable. Why each academic program? Because DUVASU does not only have a veterinary college but some other colleges also. About MVSC and PhD programs, online registration and submission of application form is starting similarly from 15/6/2021, that is already started, and closing date is 31/7/2021. Again, PGET and counseling date is to be announced later. College of Biotechnology. Online registration and submission of application forms is starting from 15/6/2021 and closing date is 10/8/2021, which is quite different from BVSC and AH and MVSC. Counseling is on 17/8/2021. For Institute of Paraveterinary Sciences Diploma programs, online registration and submission of application forms has started from 15/6/2021 and closing date is similar to BVSC and AH, 31/7/2021. PDET and counseling dates are to be announced later. Let's start with the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry now. The college has the following well-equipped 20 departments as per MSVE Regulation 2016 of VCI for undergraduate degree program BVSC and AH and postgraduate regulations of ICAR. I have actually given you the 20 departments for PG, especially because all these 20 departments are functional for PG. Veterinary anatomy, veterinary physiology, biochemistry, pharmacology and toxicology, parasitology, microbiology, pathology. This is a picture of the students in front of the main building of the veterinary college. Veterinary public health, veterinary epidemiology, animal nutrition, animal genetics and breeding, LPM, LPT, veterinary gynecology and obstetrics, veterinary and animal husbandry extension education, veterinary surgery and radiology, veterinary medicine, poultry science, veterinary clinical complex VCC, livestock farm complex LFC. The college offers the following three academic programs: BVSC and AH, that is 5.5 years degree program as per MSVE Regulation 2016 of VCI. MVSC is of 4 semesters and PhD is of 6 semesters. Eligibility criteria: he or she must be domicile of Uttar Pradesh for the 85% seats, not in case of NRI or NRI sponsored candidates. You can study in detail about the NRI candidates in the prospectus. He or she should have passed 10+2 or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English. Candidates appearing in intermediate examination of 2021 are also eligible. It's not just that only the past candidates are eligible, but who have given the intermediate examination of 2021 are also eligible. He or she has completed the age of 17 years on or before 31st December 2021. Maximum age limit is 25 years. Age relaxation of 5 years for SC, ST or OBC candidates. For a UR, that is unreserved, and OBC candidate, it is 50% marks in aggregate in the qualifying examination is necessary, and it is necessary to qualify in each of the subjects, that is English, physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology, and 47.5% marks, that is 5% less than the qualifying marks of UR and OBC category for the candidates of SC and ST category students. The selection of students for admission, as I already told, is only on the basis of his or her merit in the main PVT examination. The minimum qualifying marks is 50% for UR and OBC in the examination and 40% marks for SC or ST category students. Then the seat matrix. Total seats are 88. For VCI seats, I told 15% seats are coming through VCI counseling, so it is 13. The open seats is 45%, that is 36 seats. Payment seats is 22.5%, that is 18. Economically weaker section is 10%, that is 7 seats. NRI is 5%, that is 4 seats. Women category reserved is 10%, that is 8 seats. And university ward category, that is 2.5%, is 2 seats. Facilities. Let's talk about the different facilities that you get in this university. All the departments are having well qualified faculty and excellent laboratory facilities. Apart from this, the college has a central instrumentation laboratory which is well equipped with state-of-the-art instruments and other research gadgets. Veterinary Clinical Complex, that is VCC of the college, is a super specialty veterinary clinic equipped with modern facilities for diagnosis and treatment of different diseases. So it is very good to inculcate the culture of medicine and practicing. Facilities for indoor and outdoor games are available for the student. There is a large playground, very good playground to play cricket in front of the main building of Veterinary College for outdoor games. Gymnasium with indoor facilities is available at campus. A large indoor badminton hall and squash court is also available. So here are some of the pictures. Some other facilities are tours. Students are sent on compulsory educational tours to national institutes and universities as per the academic regulations. Cafeteria or canteen is also available in the campus for students and staffs. Bank and post office is also there. Indian Overseas Bank with ATM facilities there, and sub post offices also available in the campus. University library is housed in a 3-storied building with large number of books. Students welfare. The student welfare is set up in the university, looks after the basic amenities for students and ensures facilities and services for personality development and for inculcating leadership qualities in them. Other student development programs are postgraduate scholarship coaching classes. So as you reach the final year, the internship year, you are tensed about how to prepare for PG, the ICAR PG exam. So this college is providing you with PG scholarship coaching classes every year for the benefit of students. GRF coaching classes are arranged by the university. Communication skills and personality development program. University engages outside experts for improving the communication skills of students and for their overall personality development. NCC and NSS. NCC or NSS is mandatory for each and every student of BBSc and age program. And me, I have also done NCC, so I can really assure you that NCC is a really amazing thing for a student. It develops you, it inculcates the feeling of unity and brings discipline that is really important in a student's life. So it is mandatory for every student of BBSc and age program. AKMU cell and Agricultural Knowledge Management Unit is available in the university. All the departments and offices of the university have internet connectivity through LAN system. So here are some of the pictures of different student programs that are happening and other student participation things. This is the fresher party picture and this is the farewell party picture. This is the blood donation camp that is regularly held. Now let's talk about the hostels. You are really excited about the hostels, right? So the university has 9, that is 6 boys and 3 girls, well ventilated, neat and clean hostels for accommodating the students. 100 beds girls hostel is under construction. Hostels are provided with Wi-Fi internet connectivity. Each hostel has common room facility with colored television, newspapers and magazines. Indoor game facilities for table tennis, carom, etc. are also available. Mess facility is available in all the university hostels. The hostels are managed by hostel wardens under the supervision of Dean Students Welfare DSW. Hostel allotment is done as per the availability. Stipend and scholarships. So it is amazing when you get some money, some pocket money for your merit, and you are getting it along with your degree, right? So this is quite exciting. In BVSC and AH, 3 students of each BVSC and AH professional year are awarded University Merit Scholarship on the basis of their scholastic merit in their respective classes, and the tuition fee is also waived off. It is great, right? All the students seeking admission through VCI are eligible for NT scholarship of ICAR, that is rupees 3,000 per month, provided they are from the outside state, that is coming from 15% quota. MVSC, one scholarship of rupees 1,000 PM is awarded to one student in each department on the basis of merit. In addition, all the students seeking admission through ICAR common entrance test are eligible for NT scholarship of ICAR at the rate rupees 5,000 per month, provided they are from the outside state. Awards and medals. BVSC and AH. The meritorious students of this university are awarded University Gold, Silver and Bronze medals, VC medal, Pandit Jankinath Madan Memorial Best Clinician medal, Indian Society of Veterinary Pharmacology and Toxicology medal, T.G. Pandey medal and Dr. Jitendra Kumar Memorial medal as per university rules. In MVSC, the meritorious students are awarded University Gold and Silver medals and Vice Chancellor medal as per university rules. So I hope you loved this video. Do give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and do share it with all your friends, whoever is going to apply, and all your friends who want to apply to this college, and everyone who is from DeVasu. I know I'll be getting a lot of likes and views from all of you. Bye guys, take care and stay safe.